What about your transport department? Has any plan to other states?
First of all, we are in the process of installing digital meters for all the taxis in Goa. Main complaint was that they are overcharging. There is no regulation. The counters are just being handed over, not yet handed over. In another couple of days, they will be handed over to us. We are going to have totally 3 counters. Two counters are going to be used for the taxis. One counter is going to be used by the KTC. So that is as far as streamlining the taxi transportation and transportation from the airport to all parts of Goa. Since there were so many complaints of overcharging, exploitation, once you have digital meters, fares will be fixed. So the question of cheating does not arise. And just because of a few bad apples, entire fraternity of the taxi drivers used to get a bad name. Whereas taxi drivers are the true ambassadors of any state. First thing after arriving from the airport or a railway station or by ship or anything else or your other modes of transport, you first sit in a taxi. So they are the people who create the first impression. And the first impression is always the last
So
impression.
when will start on the other states, Karnataka, Maharashtra buses on Kadamba? Just interested.
That, see, nobody can judge when the pandemic is going to be over. We are also waiting, it should be over as soon as possible. We will start as soon as there are signs that it has abated. We will see that everything is normalized much earlier than you expect.
Thank you. Thank you.